Exciting news for ChatGPT Plus users. Advanced voice mode is here. OpenAI is rolling out its new advanced voice mode for ChatGPT Plus users, bringing a whole new level of interaction. This feature enhances conversations with more natural dialogue, allowing for interruptions and emotional responses. Here's what you need to know. How to access. Eligible users will get an email with detailed instructions on how to activate advanced voice mode on both the website and mobile apps. The rollout will happen throughout the fall, so keep an eye on your inbox. Preset voices. The new mode includes 4 preset voices, created in collaboration with professional voice actors. This aims to make interactions more engaging and safer. Realistic conversations. With the ability to read and respond to voice emotions, advanced voice mode promises the most realistic and natural voice chat experience available in AI today. ChatGPT Plus benefits. For 20-month plus taxes, ChatGPT Plus users also enjoy access to the GPT-4 model, file uploads, vision and web browsing capabilities, and DALL-E image generation. Get ready for a more dynamic and lifelike chat experience with ChatGPT Plus.